All medical colleges, including nursing, pharmacy, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, public health and other paramedical or allied medical science institutions will reopen across Odisha. The decision comes in view of the declining trend of COVID-19 in the state. The decision was informed in a letter dated July 28 by the Additional Chief Secretary Health P.K. Mahapatra. The letter stated that the medical colleges in the state can reopen only with strict adherence to COVID-19 guidelines. As per the letter, theory classes will continue online. Meanwhile, practical or clinical classes and their exams will be taken in small groups with 50% capacity with social distancing. Students attending colleges must submit written consent from their parents or guardians, while the institution will bar the students with symptoms from attending practical or clinical classes. Additionally, institutes must also ensure screening of students entering the practical halls or clinical wards. Meanwhile, fully vaccinated and unvaccinated or partially vaccinated students will be segregated to different batches for physical classes. Students must also be segregated into separate blocks for staying in hostel. The letter further elaborated that exams must be conducted for different batches in succession while adhering to COVID-19 guidelines. However, COVID-positive students will not be allowed to sit for the exams but will appear in the next scheduled examination. The college authorities will ensure regular screening of the students in hostels for COVID symptoms and facilities for COVID positives or suspected cases for isolation or quarantine. Bureau Report, OTV News.